any of my coaching webinars, by the way, if you are a student watching this that gets on my coaching webinars every week, say what's up here in YouTube. We have absolutely crazy webinars every week where we go over a lot of stuff. If you guys are on these webinars, you'll know one thing I consistently refer back to is my swipe file. Now, the first thing I ask everybody is, what's your niche and what's your traffic source? People can't name if they work on Facebook, Google, or YouTube, you're not a marketer. If you can't name what niche you're in, health, wellness, beauty, skincare, make money online, investment, gold, whatever. If you can't name your traffic source and your niche, you're not a marketer. You're not even started. The second thing I ask people is, do you have a swipe file? Do you have a swipe file? Are you consistently looking at other people's ads? Do you have a file of other people's marketing that you look at and draw inspiration from? Now, I do. I don't do much original stuff. Everything I do is basically 95% taken from somebody else's marketing that they've already done before. Because if somebody already created a formula, if somebody already created a plan, if somebody already spent the money, spent the time to figure out what works, why would I not use it? I'm about the easiest possible path, the fastest possible path. I want to start with what works and then make it work more or just make money, whatever I feel like. But the point is, I have a swipe file. Swipe is kind of like, swipe it. You swipe on your phone, you just kind of swipe it and copy it. I just use Google Docs. I'm all about free, and I created a document on Google Docs. My document is about 86 pages long. I have pretty good memory for numbers. It's other people's marketing that's in my exact same space. People have already tested doing exactly what I do. That's how I learned the most about marketing, customers, everything. By the way, if you guys are with me right here, sorry, I have my shirt off. I'm here in Marina Del Rey, California. Santa Monica and Malibu over there. LAX, Newport Beach, Manhattan Beach, Palos Verdes over there. Just finished a run, hanging out with you. Now, if you're serious about marketing, I encourage you to get a swipe file. And if you want me to be your teacher, you're on my coaching webinars every week. You'll learn very quickly to have your traffic source. Figure out if you're going to use Facebook, Google, or YouTube. If you don't know that much, just pick one. It doesn't matter. They'll make people millionaires. Pick a traffic source. Pick the product you want to market. But I help people do that. If you have problems doing that, I help people do that in my course, my training course, and you figure out how really quickly. The second thing is, for people who are serious, get a swipe file. Open up Google Doc. Just create one. It's free. If you don't know how to use a computer, learn. Google it and start looking at ads that are similar to the space you want. Maybe you want to market products that boost people's memories. Maybe you want to market sunglasses. Maybe you want to market beard oils. Maybe you want to market hair care products. Maybe you want to market skin creams. It doesn't really matter what you're going to be marketing online. What matters is that you're starting your own business. What matters is that you're working for yourself. What matters is that you're firing your boss and you're going to start living your life on your own terms. And I'm going to help you do it. Hope this has been helpful. Hope you have learned something. Start your swipe file. Let's see what you got. If you're trying to market a product, find other people who are marketing the same products you are. Just do a screen capture. Use Jing, use Awesome Screenshot, whatever you use to capture people's screens. Just copy it and paste it into a document and start looking at it. Figure out what are the similarities. What do people do differently? What can people do differently? Etc. And you'll start seeing that all people marketing a particular product successful, there are things they all have in common. You'll start picking up on that. And then you'll start noticing the patterns. It's all pattern recognition. That's what intelligence is. Intelligence is a pattern recognition. How many steps ahead? How fast can you see the patterns? And once you lay it out on one document, you're able to see the patterns a lot faster. You're able to draw those connections, and then you'll be able to make money very quickly. If you guys want to jump start on everything, I'm an educator. I have a program called Internet Jet Set, where I help people make money online. And this might sound like a ridiculous claim. He's crazy, he's a scam. I show people how to make money within 2 hours. It's easy. It's not hard. You're just doing a post on Facebook. 90% of the time you'll make commissions if you follow the steps that I show you. But you've got to do the exercise. And it's exciting. Look at my channel's testimonials. Subscribe to my channel and then you'll see all these testimonials. People are going crazy. A lot of people are having massive success in my program. Not just making their first commissions within 2 hours, but making thousands of dollars per day. In my case, I'm not going to tell you my income, but I do very well. I live with non-intentionality, do what I want. Sign up. There's a discount code down in the description of the video if you want to get started. I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Until the next video, get your swipe file, start it. Google Doc. Peace.
I didn't really believe it at first, but then I did more research and did it myself, and it worked.
Hi there, my name is Phil Carrick from Northern Ireland, and I just want to give a big shout out to John Crestani. What John does is he walks you through a step-by-step process, really from A to Z.
Success leaves trails. And the one thing that I have to say about John is that he lays out the path so simply, so distinctly, that procrastination is going to make you not successful. But if you want to follow a proven path, a simplified path, then John's the way to go. I can't imagine getting more value for the money.